Boost your English with noun plus noun collocations. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our comprehensive series on English idiomatic expressions. In this episode, we're diving into a fascinating part of English language learning: noun plus noun collocations. Remember, collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together and sound right to native English speakers. First things first, let's clear up what we mean by noun plus noun collocations. In these phrases, two nouns come together to form a familiar term or phrase. These are not random pairings but are widely accepted and used in everyday English language. They could refer to things, places, or ideas. Examples include bread and butter, salt and pepper, trial and error, and so on. Here, bread naturally pairs with butter, salt goes with pepper, and trial comes with error. To get you comfortable with these collocations, let's explore some of the most common noun plus noun collocations that you might come across in your English language journey. 1. Peace and quiet. This means a state of tranquility, free from noise or disturbance. 2. Supply and demand. This is an economic concept, explaining how the price of a product is determined. 3. Health and safety. This refers to regulations and procedures intended to prevent accident or injury. Now that you know what these collocations are and some examples, let's put them in sentences to better understand their use. 1. After a long day of work, all I want is some peace and quiet. 2. The supply and demand of a product can greatly influence its market price. 3. The company has stringent health and safety protocols to ensure the well-being of its employees. The best way to make these collocations a natural part of your vocabulary is through practice. Try incorporating these phrases in your daily conversations or writing. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process, so don't be afraid to experiment with noun plus noun collocations. There you have it. Now, you're equipped with a deeper understanding of noun plus noun collocations. These will undoubtedly enrich your English vocabulary and make you sound more like a native speaker. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, so keep trying to use them in your conversations and writings. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope it's been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!